Bloom's taxonomy was developed in the late 1950s and early 1960s when a group of educators, administrators and psychologists came together in America to try and codify the learning objectives that students were pursuing in school. Now we know that it retains its efficacy today because it still underpins lots of assessments that learners do, and it still describes how mastery develops when we're looking at logico-linguistic subjects, which of course is a large area of the curriculum. So in Bloom's taxonomy, we have 6 levels. Starting at the bottom, the easiest level, we have knowledge, then comprehension, then application, then analysis, synthesis and evaluation. There has been some research to suggest the top 2 levels, synthesis and evaluation, should be swapped over. But what we can say is that those are definitely the 2 most difficult levels, the most complex cognitive processes that we ask students to pursue. So I wrote this book a few years ago, How to Use Bloom's Taxonomy in the Classroom, the Complete Guide, because I wanted to provide teachers with a practical guide to applying the taxonomy in lots of different contexts, in lesson planning, in questioning, in the development of activities, and also in assessment. So what we have here is an introduction and an explanation to the taxonomy, followed by loads and loads of practical tools that you can use to ensure that the taxonomy has the best impact possible on your learners. So for example, at the back of the book, we've got lots and lots of exemplar questions, and those questions relate to different levels of the taxonomy. And then also we have example activities, example products, example assessments, example planning techniques and tips for the 5 key levels of the taxonomy: comprehension, application, analysis, synthesis and evaluation. So in short, you can use this book to both get to grips with the taxonomy and to underpin and inform your planning, your teaching and your assessment. And in so doing, you're going to help your learners to make the best progress possible, because you're going to be using this framework of mastery, the taxonomy that they first put together all those years ago, to ensure learners are facing an increasingly high level of challenge and therefore making better progress than might otherwise be the case.